What's up, guys? Rhett Tollison here. Today, just going to go over the 3 different pre-wired options that we are now offering for our handlebars. These only apply to the 2014 to 2023 touring models. It'd be the Street Glide family, the Road Glide family, and some of this applies to the Road King family. So the first thing that we have, it'll be listed as the pre-wired option. This one comes with the left hand and right hand switch harnesses already ran through the bar. Also, if you have heated grips, it'll come with a heated grip splice loaded in the bar. If you'll check out our pre-wired video, it'll show you how to connect that splice to your heated grips, so that you're not having to fight with the internal wiring of the whole harness. This one is retailed at $100. Comes with a pull wire loaded in the throttle side for you to pull your own throttle by wire harness through the bar. So again, just the left hand, right hand switch harnesses and a pull wire in the bar for you to pull your own throttle by wire harness in the bar. Next, we have the locked and loaded option. The way this works, you go to the product page for the locked and loaded. It's got a checklist. You basically send us all of your components, your grips, switch covers, switch housings, all your electrical harnesses. We load it into the bar that you purchase, and you receive it just like this, already extended, ready to put on the bike. One thing with all 3 of these options, there's no need to purchase any extensions. We will extend everything. That's built into the price. But on the locked and loaded, it retails at $170. That includes return labels, or it includes a label for you to ship us your components. And it also includes the label to ship the finished product back to you. It's about a 5 to 7 day turnaround time. From the time you ship us your components to the time it gets back to you, ready to put back on your bike. We will turn it around the day that we receive it. So it's not like you're going to send your components in, we're going to sit on it for a week and then send it back to you. We try to turn this around as fast as possible, so that you can get back on the road and enjoy your new purchase. So that's the locked and loaded. And then last, we have the fully pre-wired. It will retail at $300. It comes with your throttle by wire harness and sensor, the left hand, right hand switch harnesses, and the heated grip splice if you have heated grips. We will be offering this for, right now we only offer it for the 16 to 23 models, but coming in the next, week or so, we will have it for the 14 and 15 models. Those models have a connection on the throttle by wire harness. It's a little green plug, and the way that we will ship this to you, that little green plug connection will be sticking out of the end of the handle, so that you just plug up your sensor and push the 7 inches through the bar. Again, that'll be coming soon. But if you've got a 16 to 23 model, everything will be fully loaded, ready to put your switch harness or your switch housings on, grips on, button up your clamshells, and put it on the bike. This is the most complete option here. Also gets to you the fastest, but it will retail at $300. So you've got 3 different price points, kind of 3 different levels, if you will. If you're not in a big rush, the best option is the locked and loaded. But if you're trying to get this quick, fully done, I would highly suggest the fully pre-wired option. If you have any questions, you can obviously reach out to us. Again, there's no need to purchase any extra wire extensions, heated grip extensions if you go with any of these 3 options. So hopefully that clarifies some things. Again, if you need any further assistance, just give us a call, shoot us an email, reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram. Check out our other YouTube videos. A lot of them go over what to do when you receive either the pre-wired option or the fully pre-wired option. It'll just kind of go over things and show you how to finish the job so you can get them back on your bike. So thanks again. Hope everyone's having a good summer. We'll see you down the road.